guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So manood naman tayo ulit ng ng reaction video from Nuke Top 5. So huwag natin patagalin, simulan natin. Let's go.
Top 5 Ghosts, Caught on Camera. The Stowaway. YouTuber Chad Morin and his team from the YouTube channel Ghost Hunt Weekend host monthly group tours of haunted places and upload them to YouTube. On this paranormal investigation,
Guys, don't forget to subscribe Nuke Top 5 and also to my channel, guys. Please support this channel. Thank you.
Of the Titanic Museum in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee, they are accompanied by Jacob from the travel channel The Carpetbagger. Now, the Titanic Museum is built like a replica, half-scale, of the original Titanic ship. Employees believe the giant museum to be haunted by many of the spirits of the 1,496 people who tragically lost their lives on board the Titanic in 1912. Because, you see, the museum houses around 400 real items found either in the wreckage of the Titanic or actually found on the victims' bodies.
This is Mr. Isidore Strauss's ring. It's a wedding ring that was recovered from...
Ang dami palang mga na-recover ng Titanic na mga gamit na nakuha. Pero syempre nakakatakot din to, guys, kasi yung mga napulot nila syempre galing sa mga namatayan, mga nalunod dun sa nasama sa Titanic na
the dead body.
When the group reaches the outer area that is meant to represent the outside deck of the Titanic, both Chad from Ghost Hunt Weekends and Jacob from The Carpetbagger capture something very strange on camera at the exact same time.
I'll even go backwards. When I get to 1, can you make that one go off? 3, 2, 1. Whoa. Hey, what's that screaming? Yeah, did you hear that? Dude, we just heard screaming. I'll even go backwards. When I get to 1, can you make that one go off? 3, 2, 1.
May mga gamit sila na parang mga ghost detector.
Whoa. Hey, this one. Hey, what's that screaming? Yeah, did you hear that? Screaming. Dude, we just heard screaming.
Besides getting a direct response on the REM pod sitting on the deck of the museum, they hear an unexplained scream coming from somewhere in the area. Now, the scream is certainly creepy, but it doesn't even compare to what happens when they are exploring the second-class area of the replica ship. And no one in the group even notices.
Ayan na.
Just knock on the gate or knock on a wall, let us know you're in there, and we'll grab the keys.
What was that?
There's like banging here, and then that went off at the same time.
Did you see something?
No, I heard it. I don't know where that came from. I couldn't tell if it was here. Yeah.
Ito, guys, museum na to pero sipin mo, nakakatakot pa rin. Replica lang to, pero meron pa rin mga, siyempre siguro, yung mga may-ari ng mga nakuha nila sa barko.
So you're in there, can you bang harder? We'll get the keys. We can't hear you if you're in there.
Did you see it?
Ayan na. Ito yung maganda kay Nukes kasi hindi natin nakikita. Siya yung nakakita at lalagyan niya ng circles, may mga arrow, papakita niya. Ang galing mag ni Nukes talaga.
When Chad pans over to the left to film the group, a dark figure seems to be walking all the way in the back. Unlike the group, who all seem to be looking towards the replica Titanic gate, whoever or whatever this is doesn't seem to pay attention to anyone and almost looks like it's wearing a dress. But what do you think this could be?
Ayun, hindi mo rin masabing tao kasi syempre kung tao yan, yung shape ng muka, brown, di ba? Or white. Pero yan, black lahat.
Could it be the ghost of one of the victims who didn't survive the Titanic and now roams the museum halls attached to one of their beloved items? Let me know what you think in the
At saka,
comments. Be sure to check out both Chad's YouTube channel, Ghost Hunt Weekends,
Tsaka kung totoong kasama nila yun, syempre yung tao sa likod, mapapansin nila yun. Pero yung tao sa likuran, hindi. Walang reaction.
Jacob's YouTube channel, The Carpetbagger. Opening a window, opening a doorway. This strange Japanese video popped up on the internet and quickly went viral with over 1 million views. Unfortunately, no one seems to know the source of the video, including me. I did my usual research, but no one seems to have a clue as to where the creepy video came from. As with most Japanese videos, the couple's identities appear to be blurred in the original video. Having said all that, the clip is still downright chilling.
Kita na, may parang nino ng tao. Walang tao. Putang ina. Shit, nagulat ako dun. Pansin nyo? Napansin nyo, guys? Napansin nyo, nasa likod ng babae. Putay, nagulat ako. Shit.
The couple sees the odd blurry shape of someone or something that seems to be peering into their kitchen window. But when the guy quickly slides the window open, there's no one there. He turns back to his girlfriend and catches a truly disturbing figure.
Ayan guys, oh. Putang ina. Talaga bang ganito yung aswang dun sa multo dun sa Japan? Kasi yung mga movie nila, yung The Grudge, di ba? So mga ganito yung mga Kaya nagulat ako, may tao sa likod. Kita ko ng mukha, oh. Shit.
Figure standing right behind her, dark and shadowy with what almost looks like rotting skin. And as he pans back only a moment later, the figure has just disappeared. So did the couple unwittingly let a wandering spirit into their home? Unfortunately, without a source, we'll never.
Hindi nga napansin nung ewan ko kung sino nag-video nito, kasama niya. Girlfriend niya, boyfriend niya, di ba? Hindi nga niya napansin na may tao sa likod, oh. Siguro pag check nila sa camera, meron na to.
Or no. But let me know what you think down in the comments.
Parang bugbog pa yung mukha, may dugo-dugo pa.
If you see a video that you think would be perfect for the top 5, or if you have a ghost hunting channel and you caught something great, contact me at nukestop5@gmail.com. Paranormal activity. TikTok user Harry McClary says that after he and his wife spent an evening playing around with the Ouija board in their house, things have never quite been the same. They began to hear strange sounds around their house on an almost daily basis, and things in the house begin to move on their own. Harry starts grabbing his camera and recording whenever anything strange goes down.
Yun lang. Kita niya. Ito kasi bumili ng bahay na luma. Underground.
Hello?
Nawala.
Oh my God!
Harry and his wife hear a door in the basement repeatedly opening and slamming shut, alarming their dog, who's barking at the threat violently off camera. When Harry says, "Hello?" the sound stops, and after a brief moment of silence, something we
Kaya tumatayo yung balahibo ko. Tumakbo.
can't see seems to charge up the stairs towards him. Now, a lot of TikTok viewers were very concerned about the well-being of Harry's panicked dog, but don't worry, the dog is fine. They were all just a bit shaken up by the experience. And as for Harry, he caught a bit of flack from some of his TikTok followers. They said he should have gone down into the basement to investigate the strange sounds instead of running.
O kahit na, ang dali lang sabihin na puntahan sa baba, putay na, kahit ako, di ako pupunta doon. Siguro pag umaga, pero pag gabi, putay na, hindi ko pupuntahan yan. Aso nga eh, di ba? Tahol ng aso. Hindi nga pumunta sa baba, ako pa.
Well, only a week later, and he gets his chance. The family once again starts hearing something in the basement. Harry goes to check, and it did not go well.
Tapang. Binato siya. Patay-balay po ko. Tapang niya, oh. Tapang niya. Bubuksan. Guys!
Again, the family hears the sound of a door in the basement repeatedly opening and slamming shut. But this time, Harry gathers his courage and immediately
Ang tagal mo kasi buksan, kaya binuksan niya na lang.
charges downstairs to investigate. As he slowly reaches for the door, it flings open on its own, sending Harry running in terror once again. Now, up until this point, Harry hasn't really caught any footage of what might be haunting their home. But that changes one night when strange things
Kung bahay ko to, ibenta ko na to. Hindi ako pwedeng matulog sa
start to
ganyan.
go down in his living room.
Ayan na. Nanggulo na. Kasi pinuntahan niya, nanggulo na. Andiyan na, nasa room niya na. Nagbubukas na yung mga kwarto niya. Ang laki ng bahay. Ayaw pa yung ano. Benta mo yung bahay mo. Laki ng bahay, siya lang mag-isa. Girlfriend niya. Nagka-problema ba yung internet ko ah?
So, is it all real? And is Harry McClary really haunted? Or is it all just an elaborate but very well done TikTok ARG?
Benta mo na yung bahay mo.
Follower.
Kung bahay ko yan, ibenta ko yan. Tapos yung nakabili, yun naman yung mag-post sa TikTok dahil nga nakakatakot.
Popular Korean ghost hunt live streamer Michael from the YouTube channel Docha Michael explores an abandoned multi-floor apartment building that is allegedly haunted. Soon after he enters the building, it becomes obvious that whatever lurks in the shadows does not work.
Nakakabilib to mga tao na ganito, no? Kasi, tayo na, pupunta ka sa isang abandon na lugar tapos ikaw lang mag-isa. Kahit 3 pa kayo, 5, putay na, nakatakot pa rin yun. Pero ito, siya lang ata mag-isa eh, bro. Ang tapang.
Want him there.
누구세요? 어? 누구세요?
Ayun, nagbumukas.
누구세요? 아!
Koreano. Ah! Grabe yung mga Koreano.
아!
Ah!
와!
Yo. Ba't kasi pumunta ka dyan? Tapang nito, salang mag-isa.
분명히 움직였는데 사람이 땡길 만한 그것이 아닌데 여러분들 봤죠? 이것이
Andun ako.
봤죠 여러분들? 이거 사람이 땡길 수가 없는데
A small red box slides across the floor and opens on its own before falling over. When Michael checks it, he finds no explanation for how it could have moved. He continues to explore and reaches what appears to be a small, cluttered bedroom.
Grabe.
어? 아니야 잠깐만
Ayan.
잠깐만 와씨
Ano, nainkwan.
아!
Gago tumukong na 'to, ang tapang. Kita niya na hinihila yung upuan, puta na pinuntahan niya pa. Tapang.
Huh?
Wala namang tali.
Huh?
Tapang mukong, no? Walang mag-isa, oh. Binato sa kanya. Isip ko na yun. Sabi ah. Yes, pa.
뭔 소리야?
Grabe no, kung totoo man to. Putay na. Abandon na apartment. Tapos ganito yung mga magpaparamdam sa'yo. Okay lang kung magpapakita, makakatakbo ka. Pero putang ganito, tinutumba yung mga gamit.
띵띵 소리 뭔 소리야? 와 씨발.
Balayibo ka. Pumunta ka dyan. Ano masyado?
야 이거 만만치 않네 여기. 어디 있는 거야? 이거 여러분들 잡기는 아닙니다. 이거 잡기는
Putang inang
아.
Tapang pinuntahan niya. Grabe yung tao to. Sinilip po yung mga ilalim ng bigas. Ito yung natapon.
아 이거 진짜 큰일 나겠는데 오늘. 이거 큰일 나게. 여러분 종소리가 계속 나요 지금.
A red stool suddenly slides behind one of the beds on its own. Michael rushes over and grabs the stool, but again can't find any explanation for the strange activity. He puts the stool back where he found it and is about to leave when behind his back the same stool falls over. Even creepier, a heavy cupboard then falls over on its side and blocks his path.
Yung mga gamit.
Michael hears a strange unexplained bell coming from somewhere inside the room. And then another large cupboard falls. This time, Michael just makes a run for it. After he calms down, Michael continues exploring.
Grabe, di pa siya natakot ha. Umalis na bumalik pa talaga. Sobrang tapang ng tao na to.
Heading up one floor in the apartment building. And then things get even more terrifying.
Ayun na. Parang may naglalakad. Ayun na. Naglalakad. Ayun na. Ito kasi pumunta dyan. Ito na, may sinela. Ito na. Posisyon pa talaga na parang
Did you see it? Michael hears bizarre footsteps right behind him, and when he turns, the bathroom slippers he had captured on camera only seconds earlier are now right behind him, almost as if someone or something was wearing them and walking in his direction.
Puta, nandun yun kanina. Ngayon, nasa likuran niya na. Hindi nakasunod talaga.
Michael is shocked and very carefully just backs away. A little wary and very freaked out, Michael now walks a little more carefully through the creepy old apartment building. He hears some sounds and turns a corner and is confronted by something absolutely horrifying.
Hmm. Pinuntahan niya pa talaga. Oh.
Again,
Yan.
did you see it?
Hindi.
When Michael looks around the corner, a dark
Ano yan? Ulo.
mask that looks like a head with black hair
Oo nga.
disappears into a doorway. When Michael runs to see what it was, there's nothing there.
Tapang ni Gago. Pinuntahan niya pa.
Now, in this next part, to be honest, I'm not entirely sure what Michael is doing. He sets up his camera to point towards a doorway as he throws some sort of grain or powder around a room. If you do know what he has in those Ziploc bags, please let me know down in the comments.
Baka
But
Rina.
either way, whatever it is he's doing seems to work because things take a terrifying turn.
Baka Rina. Lagyan mo ng harina para pag ano, akak.
제가 이것까지 뿌리기 싫습니다.
Totoo ba yan? Hindi
Ako,
ko
sir.
nakikita yun eh. Harina siguro.
갖고 오세요. 갖고 오세요. When you get,
Ay, hindi.
갖고 오세요.
Hindi siya harina. Parang mga, ano yun, munggo. Munggo para madulas yung mga multo.
오, 볼게. 그만 사람 놀래키시고 갖고
Tingnan, may buhok.
오세요. 오, 볼게.
Tingnan, may buhok.
When you get, 갖고 오세요.
Maka.
갖고 오세요.
Ayun, wala yung buhok, guys. Hindi niya nakita. Tumakbo. Tumakbo. Hindi niya nakita.
뭐야? 누구세요? 누구십니까?
Gagi.
A horrible face with long dark hair can be seen looking straight at the camera. Michael is completely unaware of the chilling event and only gets up after he hears a noise. When he pans the camera around the hallway, there's nothing there. So just what was this? Some of Michael's viewers believe it to be the head of a mannequin, and others believe it's far too lifelike to be a mannequin and think he actually caught some terrifying
Kasi kung pansinin mo, yung mata nung ano, hindi kumukurap eh.
apparition on camera. But what do you think? Is it
Mata. So, kita nyo, di man lang napansin nung ano.
real, or is it all just an elaborate hoax? You decide. You can check out this full video over on Michael's YouTube channel, Docha Michael,
Apang.
from below. Dennis from the popular Russian YouTube paranormal channel, Dark Ghost Paranormal, travels to a small cottage in the Russian countryside that has been abandoned for over 20 years. It is said that the home was built on top of an old cemetery, and that anyone who has ever dared to enter the house has experienced traumatizing paranormal activity. Dennis doesn't know if any of the rumors are true, but is determined to find out for himself.
Ito, marami siguro talaga to kasi Russia, mano sa gera dati, di ba?
He investigates the cottage over several overnight visits. Dennis sets up a camera in the old home's living room and a GoPro in the bedroom next to it. He also places a device that measures changes in the surrounding electromagnetic field in the room. He settles down in the kitchen and keeps an eye on the camera's live feed from his laptop. That's when his device suddenly detects a change in the room.
Apang nito, no? Walang kataw-tao, nasa gitna ng bundok bahay. Abandon na, pinasok na pa. Yan. May sariling ilaw pa siya. Tatapang mga tao na to. Oh, yun. Ito, may anino. May anino.
Dennis hurries into the abandoned home's bedroom to check on the electromagnetic field device. He then hears a sound which makes him spin around to see what's behind him. He just misses witnessing something absolutely terrifying with his own eyes. A dark shadow figure moving from right to left, right behind him. But his GoPro camera captures every creepy detail. Throughout the night, his cameras capture furniture moving on its own. In one of his investigations, Dennis captures something truly bizarre.
Basta camera talaga, no, na nakakita talaga yung camera. Kasi marami nang nangyari na ganyan eh. May mga camera nilalagay nila. Tapos pag-check nila, may mga nakukuha na mga nasasagip na masamang elemento or ano pa dyan.
Так, это мне нужно сейчас будет ИГФ.
Uy, putang ina mo. Pinatugtog yung ano. Hindi na ganun-ganun na parang piano. Ano no? Putang. Alis ka na dyan. Uy! Sadyakan mo. Sadyakan mo. Yan. Makinig sa akin, no? Sinadyakan niya. Yan. Putang ina mo. Umuwi ka na kasi. Yung mabas si Gago. Takot ka eh.
Сейчас, друзья, мне надо отойти. Это просто пипец.
A creepy accordion in the corner of the room seems to just start playing on its own. Dennis just gets out of there. He waits outside for an hour, gathering his courage before he goes back in. But Dennis has another odd experience with the accordion, and this one is even more disturbing.
Good siya. Anak ka naman. Mga kaldero naman. Matindi dyan, pag lumipad yung kaldero sa mukha niya.
Чего?
Anak ka naman. Hindi mo galaw, no? Grabe, no? Kaya siguro umalis yung may-ari nito kasi ganyan.
Ну, мне просто, реально, мне по всему телу мурашки пошли. Теперь не знаю, как туда зайти. Но заходить надо.
Tapang mo.
Now, very alert YouTube viewers notice something that makes this particular activity with the accordion even stranger.
Чего?
Did you see it?
Wala.
Right before the accordion starts playing on its own, a dark figure seems to walk towards the accordion and disappear, almost as if it approached the accordion to have a play. Dennis decides to do a modified spirit box session that he calls an EGF session in the abandoned home's kitchen area.
Uwi ka na.
What happens next shocks him to his core.
Anak ka.
Уйди.
You away. Sige na.
Почему мне нужно уйти?
Spirit box ba yan? Tawag yan?
Мешаешь.
У меня к вам вопрос. Под этим домом есть захоронение?
Saan yun?
Да,
Yes.
это мы.
Ayan, this is us.
Что вас держит в нашем мире?
Tapos yun na to.
Осквернили.
File.
Кто и чем вас осквернил? Кто вас осквернил?
Gago.
Дом.
Дом. Вы имеете в виду, на этом месте нельзя было строить этот дом?
Pinagtapok na siya, oh. Tapang mo kasi, dapat umalis ka na dyan. Ayan, nahulog na. Ayan na, wala isang ilaw.
Пипец, я просто не могу.
Napaalis ka na kasi.
Я никогда не был так жутко.
Soon after this, Dennis decides to just get out of there. He says that he has never been this creeped out at a location before. So did he possibly capture the ghosts of the people allegedly buried underneath the abandoned home? Is that why no one will live there? Let me know what you think. You can check out the Dark Ghost Paranormal full 3-part investigation at the abandoned house over on Dennis's YouTube channel, Dark Ghost Paranormal.
Tapang nito.
Thanks for watching. For channel updates and
Alright, we're done. Nakakatakot yung mga ano ni Nox ngayon. I think 4 years ago pa na itong video na to. So, maraming salamat sa pagsubaybay guys. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. God bless.